Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte. As you can read from the title, I'll be showing you how to make a vegan breakfast sandwich or a burger, whatever you want to call it, with shiitake bacon and creamy tofu scramble. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. Firstly, I'm making the shiitake bacon. I'm preheating the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven is preheating, get a large bowl and pour in some vegetable oil. I will have all the measurements down in the description, so check it out for the full recipe. Pour in some soy sauce, nutritional yeast, liquid smoke, smoked paprika, some ground black pepper, and whisk that mixture together. This will be the marinade for the shiitake bacon. I'm using some fresh shiitake mushrooms. Carefully remove all the stems from the caps. Cut into quarter-inch slices. Once you've sliced all the mushrooms, place it in the bowl of marinade. Use a spatula to evenly coat all the mushrooms in the marinade. Then place it on a lined baking tray and evenly spread it out into one even layer. Then place your tray of mushrooms into the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. After about 17 minutes, make sure to carefully watch them so that you just want them to be pretty brown but not burnt. So this is how they look when they're done. They should be nice and brown, has a nice chewiness in the middle and a slight crisp on the edges. I'm using some homemade brioche buns for this recipe. I will link the brioche recipe down below. I did not make this recipe, but this was my first time making it and it turned out amazing. So I'm just spreading some butter on both sides of the buns so they'll get nice and crispy when I toast them. I'm slicing a few slices of this vine-ripened tomato for our sandwich. You'll need some medium firm tofu to make this vegan egg scramble. You can either use your hands or a fork to break them up into small pieces like this. To the bowl of tofu, add some ground black pepper, some turmeric for color, some black salt for that eggy taste, nutritional yeast, a bit of Dijon mustard, and a few tablespoons of soy milk. This is going to create that creamy texture for our tofu scramble. Mix everything really well with a spoon. In a hot pan, toast the brioche buns for about 5 minutes until they're nice and toasted. After that, add in the tofu mixture and saute for a few minutes until the tofu turns into a brighter yellow color. Here I'm adding a bit more soy milk as I want it a little bit more creamy. Now we can assemble the sandwich. I'm putting the tofu scramble first at the bottom and spreading it out into an even layer, and then a generous amount of shiitake bacon, 2 slices of tomatoes, and a bunch of fresh arugula. So here's my vegan breakfast sandwich or burger all done. So let's get on to the taste test. I can't wait to eat this burger. I actually haven't tried this burger yet. I just came out with it spontaneously for this video. So this is going to be my first time trying this. Wow, there's so many flavors going on. I love that buttery, soft brioche bun, and it has a really nice toasted side on it, and that creamy tofu scramble with that smoky, savory shiitake bacon, and a nice freshness from the tomatoes and the arugula. It's definitely a messy sandwich. It is so delicious. I have no words. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know what you think of it. Anyways, I'm going to continue enjoying this breakfast sandwich, and I'll see you in my next video very soon.